Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making the chicken wings sections. So I got this big pack from Price Right. If you live in my area, you should know where Price Right is. So this whole bag of chicken wings here, or ding wings, whatever way you want to call it, is from there for $20. Okay, so let's open it and see. You can see right here what it looks like here. Okay, so today's my son's birthday, and he doesn't want to party or anything like that. You guys know boys don't want too much. It's only girls, well, some, so he just wants his 3 or 4 friends to come over and just play video game and just eat something in the house. So that's basically it. So you guys, all of this is $20. So I have back-to-back birthdays, the 24th and the 27th of July, so so make sure you wash your chicken. Look at all this. So don't just so I'm gonna put some lemon juice and apple cider vinegar and salt while I clean these chickens and stuff like that. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then clean the chickens and then come back when it's all cleaned up. Okay, so let me just put this with some salt. So I'm gonna let this soak for like 10 minutes, and then I will come back after I clean everything up. I don't think you want to see me clean this up, you guys. I already showed you the chicken is dirty. I gotta get all that skin out and stuff like that. So I will do that and come back, and then I will show you the things that I'm going to be seasoning it with. Okay, well, while we're here, let me just show you the things that we are going to be seasoning the chicken with. So white pepper, oregano, paprika, garlic powder, white pepper, onion, adobo. I got some oil here, and then I got the complete, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna come back, and then I will see you when it's all done. So I'm gonna cook these chickens in the air fryer while the boys are watching TV and playing games. So it's just like a pizza and chicken wings kind of party, so for 4 people. So all right, so I'll see you guys when I get back. So you guys, this is my wash clean chickens here. So yes, you see how much that is, you guys. When you go to the store, they won't charge you arm and a leg for chicken wings or ding wings, because these are ding wings, so I'm gonna season the chickens with these seasonings that I showed you guys in this bowl. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now let's dump everything into the pot and season them up. Okay, you guys, so I am done with the chickens. This is how it came out. So I divided the chickens into 2 parts, you know. So I did this one, and there's some still cooking in there in my air fryer, and then I have some still here, and I have some still in this Ziploc bag, a lot of it, because the kids that are gonna have the kids they're gonna have so much food, and I don't want to waste it. So I saved this whole bag of ding wings. That's the way I call it, ding wings. Because chicken wings are the big ones with the wings. So yeah, there's a whole bunch over there. So yeah. So you guys, that's what I'll freeze this one, and then they'll eat this and this one as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.